Morning, morning. Look at these people. Look at them. They all trying to get the Karterman. Look at Karterman. He all under the covers. Lucy trying to get Carter. Twine trying to get Carter. Little Biggie, he's just stuck in the groove right now. Little Biggie. Put my remote down, little bitty. Little Biggie. Little Biggie, give me my remote. Give me my remote, you little thief. We're Karterman. Oh my God, he's coming from under the blanket. Oh no.
Thank you,
oh, good night. It's the big wrestle. Who's gonna win the match? Is it gonna be Little Biggie, Lucy, and Twine against the Karterman? Can the Karterman survive? Can the Karterman beat this? Lord have mercy.
Ricky, give me that remote.
Give me my remote, you little Negro. Oh my God. This boy, early in the morning, Sunday morning, this is how we do this, yo. What's popping out there, America? You dig me? This is how we do it in the morning. Sunday morning, baby. March the 1st, baby. My mommy's birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Yay, baby. It's going down like Charlie Brown. Oh, my Lord. Yeah. Yeah. Yay. Where's my car? Where's my grandson? Oh, snap the difference. Look at them. They all got to get the Karterman. Oh, my God. They getting the Karterman. Look at Biggie. Look at little Biggie. Oh, little Biggie on him. Little Biggie trying to get him. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah.
They're fighting over their car.
Uh-oh. They're trying to get the Karterman. Trying to figure out who. Oh, Lucy on the low. Lucy on the low. She in that sneak attack move. Jimmy the Crickets. Yeah. Look at these. Look at them. They're trying to get under the covers to get Carter. They're trying to go under the covers to get Carter. Look at Lucy and Twine. They're getting under the covers. Oh, they're going to get Carter, man. Oh, my God. Oh, and little Biggie up top, pulling the covers back. Oh, this match is almost over. Oh, my God. Here we go. Here we go. They got the Karterman. Oh, little Biggie's still working on it. He's still working. Let me see. Twine's under the covers. Lucy's under the covers. Oh, they made their way in there. Oh, Karterman's done. What are you gonna do? When the doggies come for you, baby boy? Yay.
I'm going crazy.
Whoa.
Going crazy.
Look at little Biggie. Little Biggie trying to get his Karterman. Oh, my God. He's trying to scratch through my quilt. Oh, no. Oh, get the Karterman.
Pull it, Biggie.
Go ahead, little Biggie. Handle your B.I.G.
Biggie.
Handle your B.I.
Get it, Biggie. Oh, he got him.
Oh, yes. Yay. Go, little Biggie. You handling your business, blood. Whoa. Oh, wow.
He said he wants to put his shirt on.
All right, y'all got to stop.
Time out.
All right.
Time out.
All right, little Negroes.
That's it. Time out.
Little Negroes are crazy early in the morning.
Go ahead.
Lord, let me tell you
Go
something.
ahead.
These animals and the Karterman. Oh, here they go. Here they go again. They're trying to start it all over again.
Oh, he got in there.
Oh,
He
did
got
it?
in there.
Little Biggie in there. He's doing a sneak attack on the Karterman. Oh, wow.
He in there. Oh, they got him. He's out. They got him.
No. They got the Karterman.
Doggies win.
Yay. All right, move them, Vanessa. Move them.
Break it up. Go ahead. Put your thing on. Hurry up.